From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, State College. Happy Hump Day. I'm student meteorologist Matthew Carlson here with your Wednesday morning forecast out the door. Currently, live look at Beaver Stadium and Mount Nittany. We see a good amount of high cloud cover. It's a little thick this morning. There were some showers that ran through earlier in the central Pennsylvania region, leaving a little bit of dewy conditions. It could be some wet streets on your daily commute this morning. Temperature currently 57 degrees. Feel like's also 57. Dew point also 57. It's a little sticky out there. Visibility is down to 4 miles, so be careful driving if you're in a locally foggy or tough condition region in central Pennsylvania. Winds are light and calm. Current temperatures in central Pennsylvania, we're seeing 57 in State College. Our high point right now is Williamsport at 61, in addition to Philadelphia at 62. Erie, we're seeing about 58 degrees, and Pittsburgh, we're seeing 59. Taking a live look at the radar and satellite, you can see those bands of rain coming through central Pennsylvania. State College, Harrisburg getting a few little sprinkles to wake up to this morning. Scranton is also getting a little bit of precipitation. And moving out to the entire nation, we do see a good amount of high pressure in the southwest right now. But in our region, like the past few days, cold front is moving through, bringing a decent amount of rain to us here in Pennsylvania. Similar positions like southeast Canada, Toronto, etc., all the way down to West Virginia. That rain has been a common factor the past few days. Days in a row recorded rainfall for State College, Pennsylvania, 11 days in a row of recorded precipitation. Last time that happened was February 2008. This was much needed after Pennsylvania, especially southwest Pennsylvania, was in a drought. A lot of agriculture was a little bit dried up. Thankfully, we have gotten some rain. Some might think it's a little bit too much. I personally miss the sun, but there's a little bit of peak of sunshine in my 7-day forecast coming up. Precipitation outlook the next few days, we are seeing there is a chance for a few spotty showers moving through the rest of the weekend and starting off the work week next week. Shouldn't be too much of a damper on things though. Looking to future weather, we're seeing this front move through this morning for our morning commute to work in central Pennsylvania. Cloud cover really affecting the majority of the state, but once that front moves eastward, we're seeing places like southern New York, Scranton, Williamsport having a few spotty showers this evening for your after work commute. Overnight, we're seeing cloud cover really just remain in the region in the low valley areas in addition to eastern Pennsylvania. Tomorrow morning for your commute, no green drops, hopefully no precipitation, keeping it nice and dry, a little bit of cloud cover. Western Pennsylvania though, we're seeing beautiful sunny skies to start the day tomorrow. Moving on to a little fun fact you might be able to share with your family this year at Thanksgiving. Why do the leaves change color? You might know foliage has been turning a lot in your area. It has here in State College. A lot of oranges and beautiful reds already starting to turn. When conditions for photosynthesis are optimal, such as sunlight is longer than 12 hours a day and temperatures are a little bit above 50 and 60, nice and moist allows for chlorophyll to synthesize, which reflects that bright green color that we all know to love. But now that after the autumnal equinox, which was on September 21st, daylight is becoming less than 12 hours a day. This causes photosynthesis to slow down, in addition to temperatures falling in the 50s and 40s overnight. As photosynthesis slows down, that unmasks chemicals such as carotenoids, which are naturally in a leaf. That reveals your yellows, your oranges, your browns, and your grays. Sometimes though, when photosynthesis occurs during the day with high temperatures and nighttime is nice and cold, that sugar that photosynthesize creates stays locked in the leaf. Once it gets cold and that sugar stays locked in the leaf, colors such as red, purple, and blues start to show a little bit. That's from a chemical called anthocyanin. So, little fun fact to share with your family this year at Thanksgiving. Also fun to know if you're looking around and you notice that's a yellow leaf, that's carotenoids showing. Looking today, we're seeing a high temperature of 66 degrees, overcast, possible showers in the State College and central Pennsylvania area to wake up to. Winds from the south at 3 to 5 miles per hour. Tonight, we're seeing a low of 47 degrees. Might be a few drifting clouds in central and eastern Pennsylvania. Winds are calm. And moving on to tomorrow, we're seeing a high of 70 degrees, and I believe we'll get some peaks of sun. I know this graphic is a little wild to see after the past few days, but it is much needed. That vitamin C will be amazing. Vitamin D as well. So winds are calm. Coming into the 7-day forecast, we're seeing Wednesday today, a couple possible showers, high of 66, low of 47 overnight. Thursday, we're seeing some sun, first time in a while. Friday is overcast. Saturday, more sunshine. Sunday and Monday, we're both seeing a little bit of cloud cover in the State College area, but sunshine persists. And Tuesday, I'm hoping it's going to be crystal clear. So get out this weekend, enjoy. It's the first weekend without precipitation in a while. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Matthew Carlson, and thank you, Dad, for my awesome bow tie. Have a wonderful Wednesday.